Are you ready to make money with artificial intelligence? Welcome to Empowered Finance. Today we're exploring 10 proven strategies to capitalize on the AI revolution and boost your financial success. Let's dive in. First up, developing AI-driven products. Create innovative solutions like AI-powered apps, chatbots, or software tools that solve real-world problems. Companies like OpenAI and Google have set examples with their AI advancements. You can monetize these products through subscriptions, licensing, or sales. Next, offer AI consulting services. Help businesses integrate AI into their operations, from automating tasks to analyzing data for better decision-making. As an AI consultant, you can charge for your expertise and provide valuable insights to enhance business performance. Investing in AI stocks and ETFs is another way to make money. Companies like Nvidia, Alphabet, and Microsoft are heavily invested in AI. By investing in these companies or AI-focused ETFs, you can benefit from the growth of the AI industry. Creating AI-generated content can also be lucrative. Use AI tools to generate articles, videos, music, or art, and monetize them through platforms like YouTube, blogs, or online marketplaces. Tools like GPT-4 and DALL-E can help you create high-quality content efficiently. Develop AI courses and tutorials. Educate others about AI technologies and their applications. Platforms like Udemy and Coursera allow you to create and sell your courses, providing a steady stream of income while sharing your knowledge. Automate your online business using AI tools. From chatbots handling customer service to AI algorithms optimizing ad campaigns, automation can save time and increase efficiency, ultimately boosting your profits. Engage in AI-enhanced trading. Use AI algorithms to analyze market trends and make informed trading decisions. Platforms like Quant Connect and Alpaca offer tools to implement AI in your trading strategies, potentially increasing your returns. Apply AI in real estate. Use AI to evaluate property values, predict market trends, and find investment opportunities. This can help you make smarter investments and maximize your returns in the real estate market. Leverage AI for marketing. AI tools can help you analyze consumer behavior, optimize campaigns, and personalize customer experiences. This can lead to higher conversion rates and increased revenue for your business. Finally, explore AI-powered affiliate marketing. Use AI to identify profitable niches, automate content creation, and optimize your affiliate marketing strategies. This can help you generate passive income with minimal effort. The possibilities with AI are endless. By implementing these strategies, you can start making money and stay ahead in the rapidly evolving tech landscape. Which AI strategy will you try first? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making money and managing your finances. See you next time on Empowered Finance.